What's up everybody, welcome back here on the channel. Today is Matchbox time and we are going to take a look at another one of these 2024 Matchbox 5-packs. You know, these were on sale in a store in my area and I bought a bunch of these for €6 a piece, which is a pretty good deal in my opinion. And we are going through them one by one. Today is time for this 5-pack, which is British Roadways. As you can see here on the packaging is the mini convertible, or Cabrio it is called. So I already opened it up and there we go. Let's take a look at our first model, which is this guy here, the Morris Minor Saloon. I would say it's a pretty nice casting. It's not my cup of tea, I have to admit, because this is just not my era of cars. But yeah, looks nice in blue with a red interior. It's a nice combination in my opinion. Some pretty nice details for the headlights and a very crisp license plate on the back. The base is kind of interesting, so because this looks really like metal, but of course it isn't. This is plastic. As you can see, this is a pretty new casting, 2022. I think this guy here was the debut version, and yeah, I already mentioned it. I would say this is a casting I don't collect, but I tried to get all the 70th anniversary models, and yeah, the Morris Minor was one of them. And yeah, now I got two of these. Anyways, into the parking lot it goes. Our next model is the 2010 Mini Cooper S Cabrio. I think this is a pretty old casting. Let's take a look at the base, 2011. And as you can see here, it also has the exact scale on the base, 158. It's kind of uncommon. I think I only have one other version of this model, and it's still in the packaging. As you can see here, this is the Matchbox set that is still incomplete. I only have 5 out of 6 because I can't find number 1. It's so hard. Yeah, I'm trying to complete this set. This is the other version in yeah, kind of turquoise blue, whatever. Yeah, mentioning it in every video. Pretty hard to get Matchbox stuff this year in the stores, but it is how it is. And our Mini goes into the parking lot. Next one up, it's the 2015 Jaguar F-Type Coupe. This is a really cool car in reality. I'm not really sure if I do have another version of this guy. I think, but I'm not really sure. Anyways, this one comes in gray metallic. Yeah, 2015, so it's an older casting. I think it's cool that it comes with black rims. We don't have too much details. Headlights, but no details on the grille or a license plate. On the back we have the Jaguar logo. This seems like a hook assembly model. And then there's one thing that I noticed. It's pretty hard to show, and I guess you can't see it maybe through our through the roof. It's hard to see, but anyways, the steering wheel is here. You can see it. It's like one pole, and it looks so weird. I don't know why they have done this, but this is completely strange. And look at the angle of the steering wheel, and once again, if you can't see it, it's like, you know, like a just like a pole, and on top there's a steering wheel. I don't know why they did this, but this looks completely weird. Anyways, our Jaguar also goes onto the parking lot. The next model, yeah, is a little bit different because this guy here doesn't have any interior, which might be a better choice for the Jag also, but anyways, this is kind of interesting. This is the LEVC Taxi. I think this is an electric cab running around in London or something, I don't know. Anyways, we've only seen this guy here in black, and now it's blue. So yeah, no interior, I already mentioned that, but we get some nice details on the back and on the front. Not the most beautiful car in the world, I would say. Comes with a blue base, as you can see, and what you can also see, it seems like Matchbox doesn't put these codes, or doesn't put no longer these codes on the base where you can identify from which year and week it is. Yeah, but I don't know why they canceled this, but it is how it is. The last one is the 2020 Land Rover Defender 90, and this, in my opinion, is the most interesting model. It's a casting that I do collect in a pretty nice minty color. I think it's a good casting. The problem with this is it's a lot of plastic. The whole roof is plastic, but I think it doesn't look too bad. As you can see, spare tire here on the back. Some details on the front, and this one looks kind of cool. I think the first version was this guy here. This, I don't know what you call it, forest green or something. I think one of the Subarus, the Subaru Forester or something, has a color like that, I think. Maybe that's why I call it forest green, I don't know. Then we've seen it in black and kind of a brown chocolate color, and also in blue. So let's put the other versions to the side, also our turntable. And let's take a look at all of our models from this 5-pack. As always, you know, I'm choosing a favorite. And yeah, what can I say? For me, it is the Land Rover. It's a casting that I do like, although it's a lot of plastic, as you can see. But in my opinion, it doesn't look too bad. I think it's an okay 5-pack in my opinion. Maybe more for people interesting more for people in Britain, I guess. But yeah, I think we have seen worse. And with that said, thank you for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time.